Hello and welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady and principal owner of Everett Tax Solutions, where we help you win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday. And when you tune into my show, you're going to hear about topics that are important to the home business community. So with today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate your self-employment tax. I've been getting a lot of questions about this, which is great because that means people are paying more attention to their taxes and are more concerned about getting their estimates paid so they're not dealing with a huge tax bill at the end of the year. So let me also be clear that this is just for self-employment tax. Now on your tax return, you have income tax, which takes into account all the other income in your home. And that's separate from your self-employment tax. With this video, this is just specifically focused on self-employment tax because I don't know what other income is in your home, what the other, what tax bracket you may be in, or any of that. So this is strictly on self-employment tax. And if you get this right, then you'll really be able to, to focus on getting your estimates paid so that, again, you're not dealing with such a huge tax bill, okay? So let us get started. All right. So the formula for calculating your self-employment tax is you take your profit, which is what you pay self-employment tax on, times 0.9235 times 0.153. Okay. So first, this 0.9235. The reason you multiply by 0.9235 is that you get credit for 50% of your self-employment tax as an adjustment to your income. So it reduces your taxable income. Okay, so if you take that 7.65 times 2, that will give you your 15.3% right here. Okay, so you take that 7.65 and subtract it from 100%. That's what gets you to 9.9235 or 92.35%. Now, this 15.3% is your Social Security and Medicare for self-employed. So 12.4% of that is your Social Security, 2.9% of that is Medicare. That's what comprises this 15.3%. Okay, so let's do an example. So let's say you have a profit of $35,000. So we're going to take 35,000 times 0.9235 times 0.153. Okay, so 35, this is going to equal 35,000 times 0.9235. Okay, so you got $32,323, right? This is what we're going to be having to pay self-employment tax on. Then you take that 323, because we're going to round up since it's 0.5, and we're going to multiply that by 0.153. And so your self-employment tax is going to be roughly 49, 45, and 42 cents. So on a tax return, you're going to round down to 49.45. So based on a $35,000 profit, your self-employment tax should be 49.45. And so when we're talking about paying your estimates, this should be what you cover for your self-employment tax. Again, we're not talking about other income in your home. This is just the self-employment tax portion. So if you at least focus on getting your self-employment tax paid, that's going to help reduce your tax bill at the end. And I always recommend to my business owners that you be prepared to file your taxes in February, because again, if you have a tax bill, then if you need a little bit more time to get that money together, then you will be able to pay your tax bill and you'll be fine. But remember, I also recommend that you save 30% of your income off the top for taxes, because if you save too much money, then you have choices. You can pay your tax bill, you may have money left over, and then you have choices of what to do with that money. But if you don't save that money and then you don't have to pay your tax bill, then you're having to deal with the IRS and your state. Okay, don't forget about the state. And negotiating payment plans and what have you for your taxes. You just don't want to put yourself in that position. But this is how you calculate your self-employment tax. If you focus on making sure that's paid, that's going to help you not have such a huge bill at the end of the year. All right. So I hope that helps you out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.